sisters, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my deep conditioning treatment. So the tutorial will focus on two different ways of doing deep conditioning treatment. So on a lazy day I use my normal conditioners, that's the Elastic QP, and also my Ultimate Blend Garnier, that's the avocado and shea butter conditioners. And I also add about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Otherwise I use the normal avocado, that's about half of an avocado. I thoroughly mix it and add about 3 tablespoons of honey, natural honey, and to that I also add the extra virgin olive oil. Once you have your mix, you thoroughly mix it and ready to apply to the hair. Just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. Really focusing at the ends. I'm not the average girl from your video. My worth is not determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what I'm wearing, I will always be. Make sure you also massage your scalps. When you're done, twist it. Make sure you twist it about halfway through, just because we don't want any knots towards the end. This is how it looks like now. I'm just gonna go over and wash it and show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Just freshly washed hair. So I'm gonna try doing washing.